Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 7 of chapter 7, section 5. Evaluate the integral negative 1 over radical 3 through radical 3 to e to the arc tan y over 1 plus y squared dy. So we can rewrite this as 2 times integral, so 2 being a constant which can be pulled out of the integral symbol. Negative 1 over rad 3 to rad 3 e to the tan inverse of y over 1 plus y squared dy. Then we will use substitution here. So let's assume let's substitute u equal to tan inverse y. Then du would be 1 over 1 plus y square dy. We should also change the limits. The limits given in the problem are limits for y. We are going to change the limits to u. So it is y limit are negative 1 over radical 3 through radical 3. Then u is tan inverse of y. Then we are going to find out the limits for u. So u equal to tan inverse of negative 1 over radical 3, which is negative pi by 3. Then u equal to upper limit, rad 3 would be tan inverse of square root of 3, which will be pi over 6. So the lower limit and upper limit for u are negative pi by 3 and pi by 6. Now we will write I as 2 integral negative 1 over radical 3 through radical 3 e to the tan inverse y over 1 plus y square dy, which is 2 integral negative pi by 3 through pi by 6 e to the u. Then the rest, which is 1 over 1 plus y square dy. So if you can look at this expression here, which is same as the rest of the terms in the integrand, which can be replaced by du. So it is now integral of e to the u, which is e to the u, the negative pi by 3 through pi by 6. So it is 2 e to the pi by 6 minus e to the negative pi by 3. Hope this video helps.